41-year-old Alberto Rodriguez is accused of chasing down another driver on Highway 281 this past Saturday. We're told the victim tried to get away but was followed south to Martinez-Lozoya Road. After crashing into a fence, Rodriguez allegedly approached and then shot the victim. Fortunately, the injuries were not serious. That victim is now recovering at a local hospital. Investigators quickly identified Rodriguez and got an arrest warrant. He was taken into custody earlier today, now facing some serious charges, including aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, tampering with evidence, and endangering a child.
Arrest has been made in a recent road rage incident. The accused gunman behind bars after deputies say he shot a driver in South Bexar County.
Want to bring in KENS 5, Sarah Duran, with a look at the suspect. Sarah, what are we learning about him this morning?
So, Audrey, we just received some new information within the last 10 minutes via an arrest affidavit for the suspect, 41-year-old Alberto Rodriguez. We now know that he hit the victim in the face and chest with his handgun before shooting the victim. Now, this is all new information at 6, but overnight he was taken into custody, and now that suspect faces multiple charges in connection to the shooting. Audrey, I want to show you video we received from the Bexar County Sheriff's Office. The suspect's arrest comes days after deputies say he shot another man in a fit of road rage. Now, this all started Saturday morning on Roosevelt Avenue when some sort of altercation broke out. Deputies say the victim tried to drive away, but Rodriguez chased him in his vehicle along Highway 281 to Martinez-Lozoya Road. The man crashed into a fence by Southside High School, and that's when Rodriguez shot him. He took off, and the victim was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Now, according to BCSO, Rodriguez is charged with 3 different offenses, including aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, which is a second-degree felony. Reporting live, Sarah Duran, KENS 5.